Open your book to page 494.
Okay, this lesson is to learn about the general form for quadratic equations. So quadratic equation means the highest degree term is a second degree. So basically means when you have x squared, that's a quadratic equation. So if you look at example 1, these are examples of quadratic equation. So A, you have ax squared plus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. So again, so that's your quadratic because it's x squared. And if you go to B, you got x squared plus 1 equal to 0. So again, when the highest degree term is square, that is quadratic equation. And you have the C, example C, 1/3 x minus 3x squared equal to 4 over 5. So again, the highest degree term is x squared. So that's your quadratic equation. And same thing with D, you got 3x squared is equal to 2x. So the highest degree term is square. So these are all examples of quadratic equations. Now, when you have quadratic equation, what you want to do is you want to identify the coefficients. So if you go to page 495, and if you look at number 9, so you got x times x minus 3 equal to 4. So they want you to convert each of the following into quadratic equation into general form. So general form is like this. This is the general form. You have everything on the left-hand side arranged in order, and the right-hand side is equal to 0. So this is called a general form. So that's what you need to do. So go and work everything out. So multiply out. You got x squared minus 3x equal to 4. And then you have to minus 4. So you got x squared minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. So that's your general form. And then after that, you need to identify your coefficient a, b, and c. So a, b, and c are coefficient of this term. So in this case, a equal to 1. So that's what that is. So when you don't see the number, means it's 1. Over here, this will give you b equal to negative 3. And over here, this is your c. So c equal to negative 4. So make sure you arrange it in order, and that's your coefficient a, b, and c, including the negative. Negative are part of your coefficient. Now, if you go to like number 11, you have 3x times x plus 1 equal to x plus 1 times x plus 2. So again, you want to get into general form, so you have to multiply everything out. So this will give you 3x squared plus 3x equal. Now this you use your FOIL method, so you're going to get x squared. And remember the O and the I, you just add, right? So 1 plus 2 give you 3. That's your reverse of the master product, right? Again, you add to get a middle term, you multiply to get the end, right? So that's your FOIL method. Then after that, make it equal to 0. So minus x squared minus 3x minus 3x minus 2 minus 2. So all this get canceled out. So you're going to get 2x squared minus 2 equal to 0. And what you want to do is you want to lower as much as you can, because it's equation you can divide to lower the number, right? So you're going to get x squared minus 1 equal to 0. So in this case, your a is equal to 1, b equal to 0, c equal to negative 1. Right? Again, b is for the x term. See over here? So that's not x, so equal to 0. Okay. So that's your a, b, and c.